Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fun and Blush. So it's been summers and we like to feel refreshed in the hot summer humid days. Not only in summers but all the time we love to be fresh and smell good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys affordable deos. So I just love making these under budget kind of videos because as a beginner I also can't invest too much on YouTube, and also you guys also seems to enjoy very much this kind of video. I also made a 100 rupees lipstick video, so do check it out. I will प्रोवाइड द लिंक, सो ई बटन पे आप क्लिक करके ज़रूर देखना. दिस वीडियो इज़ डियोज अंडर 250 रुपीज़. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. So my first product is this Engage deodorant for women. So it's in the pink color. It comes also in like silver, yellow, sky blue, but my favorite is this and the yellow one. Its MRP is 200 rupees for 150 ml. That's quite good. And it's kind of, listen, I'm very bad at explaining fragrances, so I will mention all the qualities and fragrances in the side box, so you just check it out. Also, it does not last for 24 hours but 12 to 13 hours it stays, and it's like amazing. I just love this fragrance. So yeah, it's kind of very pleasant to smell. So my second product is this is by Vanity Female and it's for 250 rupees. This is for 299 but I got it in 250 rupees. This is available at Amazon. So Amazon पे जो है वो सेल लगती रहती है, so 250 के अंदर आपको ये पक्का for sure मिलेगा. So it's very like परफेक्ट फॉर फीमेल्स, फॉर गर्ल्स. बहुत अच्छा इसका फ्रेगरेंस है. मैग्नीफाइंग डेट इज़ 2019 एंड इट स्टेज फॉर 2024. सो आप इसको 5 ईयर्स तक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एक डियो 5 ईयर्स के लिए अमेजिंग, राइट? एंड बहुत अच्छा है, ट्रस्ट मी. यू कैन श्योरली ट्राई आउट फॉर दिस. आई जस्ट लव दिस. So my next is this. So I will not call it as a deo because it's a perfume, but I have to like include this in my videos because it's its fragrance is very nice and it's only rupees 138 rupees. I think the cheapest perfume I have ever seen. So it came in 3 fragrances. The first one is this, the second is this and the third one is this. So I will not call कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा fragrances का difference है. fragrance का mild सा difference है तीनों में ही. So you can opt any of these ones. So I just love and it totally depends on my mood कि whether I will like a perfume or a deo, because I feel deos are more refreshing than these perfumes. Perfumes are just mild. I think under budget के तो मैंने mild ही देखे हैं. And it's 30 ml for 138 rupees and under sale you will got this under 100 rupees for sure. Next one is this Secret Temptation Go Alive. This is a pocket perfume, pocket deo I think, not called is as a perfume, and this is the cheapest from this video. It is only for 65 rupees and under sale you can also got this for under 50 rupees for sure. I just love this. This is so like the most favorite is this one, and you should also try this out. And this is travel friendly also. Walking towards our next deo is this Oscar Rhodes Hot Deo. So this is ideal for men and women both. This is not for one. This is 150 ml for 210 rupees and under sale you can got this under 200 rupees for sure. And its fragrance is like थोड़ा सा लगता है कि अल्कोहल है, बट ऑल ऑफ द डियोज हैव अल्कोहल, जस्ट दैट कि इट्स अल्कोहल कंटेंट इज मोर, सो इट हैज़ काइंड ऑफ अल्कोहलिक smell. So just it can bother like you if you don't like this, but otherwise it's a very good deo. So walking towards our next deo, I will not call it as a deo because it's a deodorant roll-on. So it's Nivea deodorant roll-on and it's for 95 rupees and has a like usage date of 2 years. So it's basically for underarms and it's kind of very like nice fragrance, and you can glide this under your underarms and you feel refreshed. Back in the time I used to use this a lot very much, but this also cause darkening of your underarms, so recently I have stopped using this too much, but like kabhi kabhi I still use it. So yeah, my next one is this perfume. Called is a perfume. This is more a itr, so it's sandalwood wala itr, and I just love it. You feel like you are in the forest of sandalwood trees. It's so nice. Very like refreshing one. So and this is for, I don't know its like MRP, but I still like remember it's under rupees 150 for sure, because its fragrance is so nice, and this is also kind of under budget, so I have included this as well into it. So yeah, I just love it and do try it out. I will provide all the links in the description box, so just check it out and tell me what's your favorite one and what's you want to purchase. Second last is this. So this is for women and it's 200 ml and its price is 49 rupees, and but I don't like its fragrance so much. It smells like cup syrup. Spread it too much, it smells like a cup syrup, but in small quantities it smells nice. I don't like it too much, but I don't like it. It's like a 50-50. I don't use it regularly, but like often I use this for sure, and you can check out these two as well, because सबकी जो पसंद है वो डिफरेंट होती हैं, एंड जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया इट डजंट मीन कि वो आपको भी पसंद नहीं आएगा. एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट सेंस ऑफ liking and disliking, so do check it out too. So my next one is this case. This is not for women, this is for men, but था मेरे पास. I sometimes buys men deo as well because I just like men's deo also, because they are little bit stronger than the female one. So and this is one of my favorite ones, so I have it, so I think I include this as well. This is 125 rupees for 150 ml. so जितने भी 150 ml के थे उसमें सबसे cheapest ये है, so I have included this as well, and its fragrance is the lovable of mine, the best one. I just love this, so handy, so affordable and so likeable, so do check it out too. So yeah, these are my top affordable. This is it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please like to my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Also comment down which perfume or deo you like the most. तो ऐसी videos और भी आएंगी, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.